I truly love working with our youth. I wake up every morning loving coming into this whare. This is a place where you can come and just be yourself. That's what our ultimate goal is here, is that they walk in here and know that they meant something to us. Our youth justice team works with our young people that are going through the court systems. We try to mentor them to abstain from reoffending. It's all about compassion, empathy, aroha, and ensuring that their mana is always held to the highest degree. Whakaiti to me is treating a person in a way that you yourself would want to be treated. When you give your undivided love and humility to somebody, it reciprocates. There's no greater feeling than seeing somebody achieve. When I see somebody doing really great mahi, that's where the magic truly happens. And that's where I think whatever it takes means for us. And these are people's lives that we're working with, and so we need to be grateful. When they're succeeding, I see our team succeeding.